How to scan QR code on Telegram. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Telegram application and make sure that this one is up to date. At the top left corner, tap the three lines. So here you can see options like new group, contacts, calls, people nearby, save messages, invite friends, and Telegram features. What you're going to do is to simply tap settings. Now, under settings, we have your options like chat settings, privacy and security, notification sounds, date and storage, power saving, chat folders. You have the tap devices. And there you can see this button, link desktop device. You just have to tap that one and then point your camera to any of the QR code that you want to have access to, for example, this one. Once you point your camera to the QR code, a site or URL will pop up, and all you have to do is to tap that one, and it will take you directly to that specific site. So please do not forget to update or to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Telegram application. So that's how easy it is to scan QR code on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.